For our warm-up activity this session, I've made a worksheet that has lots of different speech bubbles on it. We're going to fill in each speech bubble with text that suits the shape of the bubble. We've got some square bubbles, circles, blobs, and cloud shapes. Let's start adding some text to our worksheet. I'm adding some phrases that I think will work for each of the speech bubbles. Different shapes can make sentences feel really different. Writing "oh no" in a regular speech bubble makes it feel a little bit sad, but writing "oh no" in a spiky speech bubble makes it feel much more dramatic. Using different ways of writing can also help you emphasize parts of your text. Big, bold text will feel very different to tiny, thin writing. Try using the shape of the bubble as inspiration for the text that you write. Here I've got a drippy bubble, so I'm using some drippy, wobbly text. Think about the sound effects you've seen in comics and how the typography reflects the sound they are conveying. Spiky bubbles are great for shouting, surprise, and a lot of different sound effects. You can use text from your comic if you want to test out what bubbles could work best to give the right emotion in each panel. I've printed out a second sheet so I can test out the lines of text from my comic. Once you've filled in all the bubbles and practiced writing out your script, we can add the lettering to our comic.